458 was issued in the name of who?
Rose Kenya.
That voucher, according to the IFMIS extract at page 23 of our volume 2, to whom was the money paid?
It was spent to Catherine Rokaria, Kadure Rokaria Catherine.
Is that an irregularity where the governor's sister is the one who surrenders the purported interest, but on IFMIS, the money is misrepresented as being paid to Catherine?
Yes, it is an irregularity.
Does this show why even people who are not the governor's relatives, the impeachment motion still accuses the governor?
Sorry?
Does this show the connection between the governor's relatives and other irregular payments to third parties?
Yes, it does.
Let's still stick to that payment to Catherine Rokaria. How much amount is indicated on IFMIS?
On the IFMIS extract, it is indicated $107,500 shillings.
How about the one indicated on the governor's voucher for that payment? How much is indicated?
117,600.
There is a variance of over 10,000, isn't it?
Yes, there is.
Would this constitute fraudulent accounting?
Yes, it is.
Let's come to the specific embedded. Let's look at the acceptance of the interest on page 282 of the governor's volume. That is a signing sheet for a journey of how many days, sir?
2 days.
2 days. The cover letter is on the previous page, which is page?
281.
281. Who are the people going on this journey?
Her Excellency Bishop Kawira Mwangaza, the governor, Miriam Gwantai, the personal assistant, who is also the sister to the governor, Rose Kenya, a security officer to the governor, who is also sister to the governor, Kenneth Murangiri, a driver, indicated as a driver, and Moses Kubania, indicated as a...
Who is Kenneth Murangiri indicated there?
He is the brother to the governor.
So let's now hold the thought, Mr. Mawira. The journey is for 2 days. The signing sheet is for 2 days. Let's find whether the governor and the delegation went for 2 days at page 284. That's the work ticket for that is supporting that interest. On that day of 7th February, sorry, where does it say the vehicle traveled to and from?
Traveled to Meru, from Meru to Nairobi and back.
Above it shows that vehicle was in Meru the previous day, isn't it?
Yes.
And after it shows it was also in Meru the following day, isn't it?
The following day on 8th, the vehicle was traveling from Meru to Lare, which is in Meru County, and back.
So if the governor and her relatives signed the impress for 2 days for a 1-day journey by their own documents, would that be embezzlement of county funds?
Yes, it is, since they were in Nairobi for they didn't spend even a night in Nairobi, they traveled to Nairobi and back, and then they claim facilitation for 2 days. The
governor, has she submitted any supporting document for these impressed and surrendered, such as an hotel booking?
Sorry?
Has she submitted supporting documents like hotel bookings?
None whatsoever.
Boarding passes?
None.
Receipts for vehicle fuel?
None.
Any other document that would be required to validate an imprest?
There's none.
Would that explain why our own officers have refused to validate those imprests?
Yes, it explains why.
Let's look at the work ticket number 824-574.
Uguo niguo mbunge ya Senate ĩgĩikarĩte na